Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to discuss about one of the shortlist literary movement, that is Votism. Actually, this Votism was from 1912 to 1950. It is a literary and artistic movement of painters, sculptors and writers. Before Industrial Revolution, we knew that people believed in nature sentiments because before this industrial period, that is industrialization happened at this period of Victorian era. So this before Victorian era, it was romantic period. So at that time, people were believing in nature sentiments. Everything was romanticized. So what happened after industrial revolution? People started becoming practically shift. They started to become practically shift of sentiments towards machines. Because of this industrial revolution, there were many machines. So this people's sentiment shifted to the machine. Okay, and this Winton Lewis is known as the father of Votism. And this Votism relate art to industrialization. So we could say that Votism is an avant-garde movement. So what is avant-garde movement? Avant-garde movement means advanced garde. It means that more modernist thinking than the current period's thinking. So Cubism and Futurism are some other avant-garde movements. Okay, like Votism. So what is Cubism? This Cubism was by Pablo Picasso and Georges Braque. It means that the picture of object in broken into geometric form or shapes like cubes, cylinders, and cones. And what is futurism? This futurist believes that futurists aim to capture the energy movement through fragmented imaginary and blurred lines. They glorify power and beauty of machines, cars, factories and aeroplanes, such things. Okay, and this Votism was announced in Glass magazine. So this Votistic art use bold colors as well as they use geometric shapes, sharp angles, hard-edged imagery reflecting the machine aesthetics. And this World War One outbreak this movement. So that is why it was just a short little movement, as I said in the beginning. So the important members of Voticism are Lawrence Atkinson, William Roberts, Helen Sinters, Dorothy Shakespeare, and Edward Wasworth. So hope you all have got an idea about what is Votism and the members related to Votism. So in the net point of view, what we must know is about the what is Votism, the members of Votism. Okay, only this much we have to know. Okay, then when the Votism began and when it ended, such things only we have to focus on this topic. So this is a very easy topic and hope you all have liked this video. So as this is a new literature channel, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.